Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Zinhle Maseko. I am from Val Triangle Vereniging. So my business is Bloc Footwear, which is a new local sneaker brand that was formed in the year 2021, and we started trading in June this year. So Bloc Footwear, at the moment, we provide customizable sneakers, athleisure shoes, sports shoes, which can be used for gym, whether it's running, any types of sport, and also for casual wear. And what I mean by customizable is the whole idea or concept behind the name Bloc, which means location or kasi. Ever heard of phrases like "catch me around the block"? I'm from this block. It's really about representing your block, and hence the shoe is customizable to include your own area code, to include your own zip code. So you wear the shoe with an area code at the back of the shoe representing your own kasi, and in that way our customers become a part of the brand, they become a part of the story, they become a part of the shoe, they're owning the shoe. So Bloc Footwear was started with myself and my business partner Ugift Sitole, who essentially had been endorsed by big sneaker brands like Puma and Nike, and he has always been a big sneakerhead. And at some point, he had reached a point where he decided, instead of marketing and promoting other sneakers, he then saw the opportunity for him to start his own sneaker brand. And then I later joined him, using my own expertise and skills. We formed the whole business. And that's how the Bloc sneaker brand was started last year. And it's really about building a brand that will, penetrate the market, go big, and we want our Bloc to be represented worldwide. So we are on website www.blocfootwear.co.za. We are also present on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Our handle is Bloc Footwear, and we're also available on WhatsApp for those who want to make orders via WhatsApp 079-210-3828. Hi, I'm Zinhle, and I am a Township entrepreneur.